Someone likes how I make my beat and asked me to do a Zouk tutorial, but for those old Zouk from the years of the 90s, I accepted the challenge. Usually, I don't do this type of beat, but because I know, let me teach you how to do so. Old Zouk were produced in high tempo, around 100 to 120 beats per minute, so I will choose 110 beats per minute. The first step is to create a drum loop. All samples I used can be downloaded for free. Check the download link on the video description. We are going to make a simple, easy drum loop, starting with kick, hi-hat, and snare. Just follow along with what I'm doing or watch and listen. I will clone this pattern and change something at the end. Old Zouk was simple and fewer instruments were used because it was produced with analog technology, not like us nowadays. One producer with a computer and VST can play a lot of instruments. I'm done with the drum loop, but let's spice it up a little bit by adding some shakers. Open the playlist, drag those drum loop patterns, add the shakers loop sample, and adjust a few settings as shown on the screen. Now it's a time for a melody. I will add bass, electric piano, string, and bells from different plugins. I will play soft pad, which carries the song's chord progression and the foundation of our melody. In my head, I have a melody idea, so I will draw it on a piano roll easily. Now let's play bass. I will use the stock plugin Boom Bass. It sounds bad, but if you do these settings, it will sound much better. This one sounds so good, I will play another version, then later on beat arrangement I will decide which one will be used on chorus or verse. This part is a little bit challenging because I don't have an idea what to play, but I want something chopping but still bringing the vibe, so I will talk less and show you what I will get. Now I will add string and bells, making our beat more interesting and sweet. If you are Zouk lover, you will recognize this melody. Well, if you reach this point means you are interested in learning how to make beats. Now please subscribe if not yet, because I found 60% of people who are watching my videos are not subscribed yet. Okay, I made some adjustments of the screen, added the intro part and also added the flute and string. Let me show you all the steps. I think also I will give away this FL project. Make sure you check on video description. This part of chop piano is for the intro of the song and I will combine it with strings. This string is so sweet, a preset sound from Nexus 2. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Here are the final results after combining everything. If you would like to explore more, make sure you download the FL project. Click the subscribe button, like and share this video and you will see the link to the project files.